Your worth. Your worth is not defined by the price of whatever outfit that you are wearing. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're good, I hope you're fine, and I hope you are fantastic. Today is a special day and this video is a special video. Today I will be talking about how to look expensive on the budget to any event. Yes guys, and I'll be making use of a role model. This role model I'll be referencing to is called
Somebody Special.
I know you're expecting her name. Her name is Wellington. She is a top Nigerian actor, or would we say actress? Yes, and she exudes class. She's naturally beautiful, naturally classy, and she looks naturally expensive. Yes guys, yes girl, she ticks all the viable points I'll be mentioning in this video. She ticks it like this, like guys, she is the perfect role model for this video I'm going to be talking about, for this topic I'll be talking about. And yes, I would like to talk about something before I delve into this video full time. I would like to talk about looking expensive. Looking expensive does not mean looking extravagant. It doesn't mean that you are showing off or, you know, wearing all the most expensive diamonds, gold, jewelries just to look good. It doesn't mean that you're looking like an overdressed peacock. It doesn't mean that at all. It's not all of that, because your worth is not defined by the price of whatever outfit that you are wearing. So in my own terms and in this video, I will define looking expensive as improving your personal looks to the best version of yourself. Okay, it does not mean that you cannot buy expensive jewelries or expensive things, but it simply means that you are improving your personal looks to the best version of yourself. And I'm also going to be talking about your mindset, you feeling confident, feeling comfortable, feeling excellent in whatever you are wearing. Okay, so these are the things I'll be talking about in this video. Okay, all right, so guys, I hope you are flowing with me. I hope you get the drill. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly click on the red subscription button to subscribe. It is totally free. You're not paying any single money. And if you gained one or two interesting tips and tricks from this video, you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the like button. Okay guys, let us swim through this video together. So guys, welcome back. Now what I would firstly talk about as regards looking expensive is for you to firstly take care of your mindset or your mental health. It is very vital, it is very key, and this is why Tommy Wellington also talks about this on her platforms. She talks about mental health, taking care of your mind, and this is very vital, very, very important. If you are struggling with your mindset or with your mental health, kindly seek a doctor or a counselor that can help you through these phases. If you are building your mindset or you are renewing your mind, kindly read books that can help you to do so. Or kindly research on YouTube on positive things that can improve your mind. Or better still, if you're getting bad energy from social media, just quit social media, because the world right now is filled with a lot of things that can pollute your mindset, especially societal pressure on certain kind of ways that society want us ladies to view ourselves or look. Okay, so if you are getting pressured from all these things on social media, it's advisable to quit all of your social media platforms that are not beneficial to you and leave the ones that are beneficial to you. Example, YouTube is a platform to learn. So as for me personally, when I was getting too much bad energy from different news and all of that, I just quit Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. I just quit. In fact, I quit WhatsApp too as well. And then I'm very, very comfortable and happy that I quit all these social media platforms, because they're not helping me positively. They are just giving me a lot of impurities, a lot of bad energy. And the funniest thing is that I have a lot of followers on my Instagram. At least I have about over 2,000 followers on my Instagram. Not a single person messaged me and asked me, what happened? You've not posted for 2 months. What's the problem? Even on WhatsApp. That is how It is, guys. That is life for you. Nobody cares about you. Nobody freaking cares. So I just abandoned all those social media platforms because I wanted my mind to be renewed. I wanted to focus and repurpose my life, and I wanted to build myself. I wanted to build my confidence. I wanted to look expensive anywhere, anytime. So I just focused my energy on improving my mindset, reading up books, looking up important things that are useful to my life, and I encourage you to do same. It is very vital, it is very important, because there's a lot of societal pressure, even from social media, on certain ways that ladies should look or a guy should look in order to impress the person of the opposite sex. Now, this moves me to my number 2 point. Number 2 point is self-care. Your skin care is very important, extremely important. Your skin needs to glow. Your skin needs to glow. Your skin needs to glow naturally. I can't stress this enough. If you look at Adesuwa's skin, you would observe that she is a naturally light-skinned person. Checking through her videos, checking through her pictures, you would see she's naturally light-skinned, and she has made her skin to look glowy. Okay, it's one thing to have your skin natural. God has blessed us with a natural skin, and it's another thing for you to take care of this skin and maintain your skin color, not you changing and twisting your skin color to suit societal pressure, because now the world is glorifying light skin complexion. You now want to bleach your skin you want to bleach your skin by force, by fire, to be light skin. No, I'm not talking about that. That is why I stressed the first point very well. Your mindset, whatever your mindset is, that it's not in line with you being the best version of yourself, kindly discard it. You need to take care of yourself naturally. You can easily buy in good stuffs, that can help you. It's not compulsory you buy expensive products that you apply to your body before your skin looks good. No, you can buy vegetables, eat good food, don't eat junks. Buy carrots, buy salad. Your skin will look good. Drink enough water. Drink enough water. I cannot stress it enough. You look good. All these little things that they are saying is true. When I started doing that, oh my gosh, and I started having enough rest. If you have money, you can go to the masseuse, have your massage done. When I started doing all these things, guys, I began to glow from within. I began to glow from within, and I believe that when you do these things too, you glow from within. I began to have that confidence, because yes, I was seeing results on my skin. I began to take good care of my skin, eating good fruits, good things, And then as for applying things on your skin, you can apply moisturizing creams that are not ash on the body, organic creams. You can check out for them and apply them to your body. Okay, creams that have hydroquinone, all those things, they are not good, guys. They are not good for the skin. They are things that causes skin cancer. Don't buy them, avoid them. You can see how glowy Adesuwa looks. That is how I want you to look. Whatever skin color you are, don't try to change your skin color to suit whatever pressure. No, just make sure you beautify your skin by yourself by doing all these little things. Now, guys, the third point for today is your body shape. Everybody has different body shapes, be it a guy, be it a girl. In fact, as a lady, there are more than 20 different body shapes. We have pear, figure 8, spoon, square, banana, different body shapes, guys. So now the society, the world is trying to compress ladies into figure 8. Guys, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's buying corset shape wears just to have big hips, tiny waist, big bust. No, your body shape cannot be like your neighbor's body shape. It's not possible. The only thing you need to do is just work out so that you look your best, because as a female, when you eat and you gain weight, fat sometimes doesn't go to the places you want the fat to go to, so it goes to places you don't like. So once in a while, go to the gym, do workout. If you have the money, hire a personal trainer. If you don't have the money, in your house, do workouts. Go online, go on YouTube, search for how to work out, how to reduce your tummy, get abs. You can do all those things, practice them. They are very good for your body. They are very good for your body shape. It's not compulsory you now twist your body. Just dress according to your body shape. Check it online, Google it. You would see your body shape. You would see dresses that you can wear to suit your body shape. You don't need to twist your body shape, you know, to suit a man's desire or to satisfy societal pressure or to satisfy social media. No, embrace your body shape, embrace it. But if you prefer or you have the mind to do liposuction or to have a BBL, you can go ahead, so far it makes you feel good and your mindset is able to conform with it. I'm not against it. Okay, guys, so now I'm moving to another point, and this is about your hair. Your hair is your crown, and your hair is what some men, in fact most men, look at. Yes, and aside men, as a lady, your hair is your crown. As I've said earlier, it's something that should look fine, it's something that should look glory, it's something that should look beautiful. Moisturize your hair daily, make it beautiful, comb it nicely, buy natural shampoos, use aloe vera for your hair, be it you are African or you are non-African. Aloe vera actually helps, honey helps. There are things that help you, natural ingredients that help your hair to grow and helps your hair to look shiny and beautiful. Now let us look at Adesuwa's hair. Adesuwa naturally has gorgeous hair. She has gone natural and her hair grows beautifully well. Then she majorly uses braids that are natural. You know, she uses braided wigs. She uses wigs that covers or keeps our front edges from pulling off. So that is what I encourage you to do. Buy wigs that are very nice and wigs that can keep your scalp well, that can keep your front edges well. Don't buy weaves that will chop off your front hair, or don't do hairstyles that will chop off the front of your hair. And if you have the front of your hair chopped off, it is also great, it is also good. You are not bad, you are not ugly. Buy aloe vera, apply it several times on that place, on those areas, and you'll be surprised at how it grows. Coconut oil too helps. So always make sure your head, your crown is beautiful. Now guys, another tip and trick is your teeth. Your teeth should be fine, it should be white, it should be clean, it should be nice. Your mouth should smell nice as a woman. Adesuwa herself, she has had her teeth done. She has gone for laser treatment, so that's the reason why her teeth is shiny and beautiful like that. It is good. If you have the money, you can do that. You can spend the coin on your teeth, you can whiten it or clean it. But if you don't have the money for all of that, you can easily buy good toothpaste that will make your teeth look nice, clean. Make sure that your mouth does not smell badly. As a lady, make sure you don't use ash things on your mouth that will make your mouth smell. And if you have mouth odor, research on things that you can do to suppress mouth odor. You can buy chewing gum, you can buy a lot of natural things that can suppress the mouth odor. Yeah, you can use mouthwash. You are not bad, okay? You are not bad. We are all trying to improve ourselves, and no man is 100%. So these things really matter. Another point is your makeup. Your makeup should look flawless, okay? Not dramatic or clownish makeup looks. No, that is the reason why your skincare is very important. If your skin is properly taken care of, your makeup won't be an issue. Your makeup is very important, very vital. People look at your face even before they look at your outfit. So make sure that your makeup is mild, beautiful. Even if you want it to be bold, it should all be blended properly. I've seen ladies, even in this 2021, that are still rocking makeup that is so clownish. They don't blend their makeup well. Their foundation is not properly blended. Highlight is not properly blended. Lipstick is not. I'm just wondering. We are in 2021. What is going on? So your makeup should be properly blended. If you can afford it, call makeup artist anytime you are going for a big event. If you can't, learn how to do makeup. Check YouTube once again, and you can, you know, it's like I'm advertising YouTube, but it doesn't mean, but you can learn a lot from YouTube. Learn how to apply makeup on your face, or go to makeup school. You can do this by yourself. All right, guys, I also want to talk about your shoes and bag. As a lady, you should have classy shoes and bags. Classy shoes and bags are very good. It distinct you, it makes you unique. If you are going for a classy event or any event, I advise you to take a well-structured bag. That makes you look confident, that makes you look chic. But if you are carrying slouchy bags, doesn't really make sense. Carry classy structured bags, even if they are not designers. Carry them, it makes you look good. Your shoes should be clean, it should be nice. You can have nudes, you can have red color, different colors. Make sure your shoes are clean and neat, and you are able to carry whatever shoes you have. Wear something that you are comfortable with and something that you are able to carry. Now guys, another tip and trick that I'm going to share is your outfit. Your outfit matters a lot. If you check through Adesua outfit, you would see that she looks elegant in all of her outfits. I'm serious, all of her outfits. She looks very classy. She wears very nice outfits. So for instance, you have the money and you have designer outfits, you have a lot of designer outfits. Please and please, I know you have the money, the designer outfit, but it's not needed or compulsory that you wear all your designer outfits with their logos on your body just to prove a point. No, it's not good. If you have all the designers, make sure you just try as much as possible to wear the ones that don't have their logos all visible, or even if the one that has its logo visible, wear one or two of it, because too much logos everywhere, you wearing an outfit filled with logos or accessories filled with logos doesn't really make sense. Okay, and another tip and trick is to look modest in your dressing. Adesua always tries to look modest in her dressing. Yes, Gael, she looks modest, so try as much as possible to look modest and classy. Don't jump on trendy outfits, trending styles. It doesn't really help. It makes you look cheap, common. So whenever a style is trendy, just try as much as possible to ignore. Try as much as possible to, you know, calm yourself down. Try to, you know, it's not compulsory you buy trendy outfits. Sincerely, me, I don't jump on trendy outfits, because when I buy something trendy, someone else is wearing it, like another person is wearing it. Billions of people are wearing the same thing. Imagine you went to a party and almost everybody is wearing the same trendy outfit, to look odd. So that's the reason why, if you want to look classy, you want to look expensive, try as much as possible not to buy trendy outfits when it's really trendy. Maybe after some months, when the trend is a bit down, you can then buy. Okay, or just buy things that will make you look classy. Okay, now moving on to your nails. Your nails should be nice, it should be looking good. Some ladies fix their nails while some don't really fix their nails. If you are a lady that don't fix your nails, make sure your nails is not always dirty. Make sure you trim your nails. Dirt should not be inside it. It matters a lot, it means a lot. And if you fix your nails, make sure you do nice nails, not too long ugly nails. In fact, they are disgusted at ugly nails. Now guys, moving on to the last point of today, I will be talking about manners. Manners matters a lot. Your manners matter a lot. And guys, remember, how you dress is the way you be addressed. Manners also matters a lot, even when you are dressed well. When after you've worn all this, you're looking good, you're looking great. Make sure that you are polite. You don't wear outfit and then you start to shout off at anybody. You start to become rude, or you go out on a restaurant on a date and you start bickering, or you start eating anyhow. No, you need to appear very classy, very nice. You don't need to start acting rude or using your fingers, your nails to eat. No, it's not needed. Okay, so guys, I hope that you enjoy this point, and if you have more points, kindly state them in the comment section below. I hope that you learned one or two things. This is only about yourself, taking good care of yourself, so the best version of yourself. And I believe that when you have all of this, your confidence is on check, your outfits on check, hair, dress, makeup, skin, everything is on check. You yourself, you are good to go. You are looking expensive. So guys, I I'll be back with much more juicy content. Stay tuned. Go nowhere, okay? Bye for now.